Batisi TV Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat ba ka Net Foodish Ordar mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobyeng Jongpi
Ki nongelam jong ka Hinyo Tribute Council haga janme las ni ublay kila her jurep ya ka jakasa jong ki rang bat ki thei ele kai ha polo ki bala mi khman ne ki district ba pher banya shimbenta haga Meghalaya Games arajar ar ki social media kila shlei de ki dor ki ba pen i ki jakasa ki bam i kot i khia bat ye ki jing jabo jong ki pan khana ki nong ele kai bat ki ba isat met hado kata ban pen Hakabaya day bat kani working president bat co-chairman jong working committee Meghalaya Games uba John F. Kharshieng ula her jurep bat ki field officer ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium bala rai ban ampen don kam ye ki pan khana ki bala don jingthot bat ka jingja khlia ka day na ka da ba amshim la pan don kam shu yaki la slam pha Kani ka jing sapriang jong ki dor ha ki social media kala penlong yo menteri rangba ka jenla Konrad Sangma pan shim khia hi dalade da ka baptha ye ki nong penya ba ki dei ban le ai halor kani
We have come to participate in the badminton category of discipline. Since the arrangement here for accommodation here is not satisfactory for us, the arrangement that is made for us is not satisfactory. For example, for foods and all, even the toilets, what they have prepared for us is not good.
For this competition, we have been training for 2-3 months. Some of us are training for years. When we came here, it's very disappointing to see that the toilets and the rooms are the water is coming down. So we don't deserve this kind of facility, I think. So I think we deserve more than this. So everyone is leaving, so we also have to leave. Plus, we are also not satisfied. That's why we're leaving.
Everything's been stolen. Yeah. We had the blankets and all. Everyone's taking the blanket. We brought 23 blankets. Now there are only 13. The rest of the 10, we don't even know where they went. We got all this whatever they say. We sleep mattresses. We had 23 mattresses. Now there are only 10 to 9 mattresses uncountable. Everything's been. I got my tracksuit. I kept it upon my kit bag. Now the tracksuit is also gone. The things that I've managed here, we've been training for months here. We spent so many days, we didn't go home. Lots of our people don't have indoor stadiums at their places. We come from different regions, practicing in the different others indoor stadiums, and now we've got this kind of facility. How will we how is this possible? They're they're holding such a big occasion or something How this ain't respect for all the sportsmen, nah? Every single one around here has practiced for months and all. No one is satisfied with all this, whatever they did. We're just getting mattresses, not even the blankets are sufficient. This is not how the players, sportsmen are needed to be respected. We deserve a level. The toilets are being made so dirty. They just put on 2 wooden planks and they just built a hole. There are no urinals.
Where is that toilet?
There are only 2 planks. And below that, there is nothing. You just see a hole. What is that? We deserve way better than this. We worked hard for many months. I don't know how they're executing this program, but the things we got are really not good at all.
Din ba ngilayo ya kijing ujor di fair nakikina kibaya simenta akan ka Meghalaya Games ar. Lor ka rukom ka jaka ba ay ki bikin sa ilawan ban pej ban tokit hidaladi akan ka jaka. Baka jingwan ka jongi ngilap sisya ba kajakasa yakini kikna kibawan ban simenta kalong ka bom iyahap bat kabi isajmet adu katata. Lapentia yaki kum kibelang di masih kasijaka abawat katunum ru ka payum. But habang ilay liban ped ya kijaka kiban let sabar ngile isat met ban pet namar bawat tangka umdan kide ki pain khana ki bala e digi snam ki bom judan ba pendon kam manu wat ke MSUI wat tang ya ka sinjam ban sim ban penkut ya kini pain khana ru ka klem sim ti ngilap ru bagidan ki toilet ki bala shna la ni kita jakale sabar ki bala shna ka bagi la shu siang tang ki lentang bat care ki plastik kani ka pen isat met adu kata-kata ban pet ba ya ki sports person la ni kita nginong ile ka jong ka jala ka jongi ki bandai kita gilawai ki ban mikmat ya ka jala ka jongi ha ki national games ki international games la shupan wan ban ya simbata da ke jing bomla pat ban pengkre ki jing don kam ki jongki tena kalian jong kaseng ngilawan ban pet dal ka jong khmat bat ka basngo tenak kalong hakani ka por ka bangi ngidang wan ban pet ya ko ini ki jakasa nilayo ru ban ya kenduk markhmat bau chief minister jong jalau kondak sangma belawan hidalade ban wan pet bat ha kajing ya keren ka jongi ha bangi lapan pau ya kajing shem jong kini ki nong ya lekai nakaliang jong chief minister ula ai ka direction ya ki sports official jong sports department bat kumjuru jong ka MSUI badai ban ra kini ki khna ya lekai mentah hi kami syaki jakasa ki babiang bat ula ongru balada omla ban penbiang ya ki jakasa ki babiang ki jaka bandek sabar ki babiang la syai ka sngi la le si bo chief minister unom pli kani ka Megle Games ndre on la ru bas suspend ting ikmi lenti ba da kajingwan jong chief minister mata kasngi on la ban ra ikini ki khna ban bu agi jakasa ki babiang bat baka ni ka Megle Games ya ka balat mu ban pelong na ka bantaban sei ya kirang ele kai ki thai ele kai ki bakan sa jong jala on la ban penlong de la dangi syampat baka ni ka jinglong nakalian jo kaseng ngisyam magini kisngi la sha la sisi bakadang bi ya biteng nakalian jo kaseng ngin sawan biang se sisin ban wan jurep bat ngin sale ke bedon kam seng ngilap ru hapor bangiwan ban poy ngini jaka shipau shiteng ngilap pakidang don ki khna lani kita ki sports person na ki district ki ba fair ki balabu ki ban tia hapo khrum jong ka office ka MSUI bahadu shipau shiteng khatwe beji kim patep hai begin tia pi kum ki sports person lani kum kirang ele kai ki don kam ru ka jaka tia kapor ka babiang ka jakathia ka babiang ringilap ba hakani ke jing wanra lani ke jing bu ka MSUI banthia lapan saru hakajo ka building ki khna kanthai bat ki khna sinrang ya ka bangim la ban pediang dalele ti kani ru ka long ka ke jing le thurmun na kaliang jo ka MSUI bikinong panya ya ka Megle Games ar ya ka bangila dawan khmat jong chief minister mentan ban kaliang jong chief minister ular ba un penbiang ki jakathia ya baru kino ele kai ke benya simta kani Megle Games ar